To replace an upper dish rack slide rail in your dishwasher, pull the upper dish rack out. Then use a small flathead screwdriver to release the bottom tabs of both front stop clips. Fully remove the clips, then slide out the rack. Remove the appropriate rear stop clip. You can now slide the old rail out. Install the new slide rail by positioning it on the rollers. Reinstall the rear stop clip by inserting it through the holes in the slide rail, then squeeze to lock the clip into place. Align the rollers on the slide rails and slide the rack in. Reinstall the front stop clips. Confirm the rack moves freely, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.